and a 2-inch lip for the roof. If you can see it, you know, kind of have like a lip to it. A lot of positive offset, but you know, what I'm gonna do today called Peacock Ore, and so and I want to change that to the neochrome hardware. But the thing is, at the barrel, I'm touching the strut, so what I'm gonna do to run to money, because all I gotta do is just buy a pair of 2-inch lips. Usually AG wheels go for about $900 to $1,000, but I really want to run 3. I said earlier that it's already the shallower than the other, only by like